Now I'm going to go into a live demonstration and just show you what it looks like to log in. When you log in, this is the landing page, and over on the left, you're going to go into RX protocols or treatment protocols, and here's the AMI protocol. And you can see that we have for each movement, starts with plank, side plank, all the way down through double leg squat and the single leg activities. We have every possible movement fault and beginner, intermediate, and advanced exercise suggestions. If we keep scrolling down, we can see the performance aspect of it. So you can see that numbers 70 through 77 are performance enhancement pre-practice routines and post-practice routines at different levels. So if you are like many of our AMI clients and you're screening teams, you can go ahead and use the results of the AMI screen and decide, okay, there's a group from this team that happened to score pretty poorly. We want them to do the level 1 pre-practice routine to help injury prevention and also the level 1 post-practice routine. And those are all included.
So the next thing to talk about is the cost of this program. So this program is $40 per month per facility. So you can have unlimited access for up to 5 users within your facility, and you also get full access to the entire Web Exercises platform. So you can use this for your clients that are outside of your AMI testing as well. So once you go into the Web Exercises platform, as Shauna showed you, there is also the templated AMI protocol. If you would like more information on this, if you're an existing customer, please reach out to your account manager. If you are a new customer and would like to add this to your offerings within your clinic, please reach out to me, Joanna Golden, at jgolden@dorsavie.com. Please feel free to reach out with any other questions you have regarding our new program too. Thank you.